Hey everybody, it's Sax Man Dan from Sax Talk and Tech. We are at the famous John Baltimore's shop here in Manhattan on West 46th Street. And if you ever need a horn, you need a SELMER 6 or a Yanagasawa or whatever you guys like, even tubas, this is the place to go. And of course, for the world-renowned repair service. And this is John himself. He's busy, so we're going to leave him alone. And that's Lincoln on the right. Horns galore, even French horns. Check it out. Those were the baritones. Come on down to John Baltimore, West 46th Street. Tell them Danny sent you.